Hi learners, welcome back. So this is the new academic year. So wish you all the best. So we'll start with the new topic, that is the rational numbers. So we'll see the part 1 of it. So let us see what are the rational numbers. So always the rational numbers will be in the form of a by b, or we can also write we can write b by q, where a and b are the integers. This a and b are the integers, but b will not be equal to 0. Suppose I write here 3, this a is 3 and b is 0. So what happened if b is equal to 0? So this is undefined. So b cannot be 0. So this is the thing what you have to remember in this one. A and b are integers, but b should not be equal to 0, and they are called the rational numbers. So now let us see some of the properties. So properties of addition. Now the commutative property means a plus b is equal to b plus a. Suppose I write here 2 plus 3. A is 2 and b is 3. So this will be 3 plus 2. So this will be 5 is equal to 5. For associative properties, a plus b plus c, that will be a plus b plus c, both is the same. So if I write here 2 plus 3 plus 4, this a is 2, b is 3 and c is 4. So here again here 2 plus 3 plus 4. So when we add it, what do we get here? 7 plus 2, this is going to be 9, and this also is going to be 9. So for additive identity, a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a. So if I write here 5 plus 0, this is going to be 0 plus 5. So 5 is equal to 5. So these are some of the properties. So now let us see the properties. This was for the addition. For the multiplication, same here. This is the commutative property for this addition. So for the multiplication. So a into b is equal to b into a. So if I write here 2 into 3, that is going to be 3 into 2. So 6 is equal to 6. Same the associative property, a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. So suppose I write 2 into 3 into 4, and this will be 2 into 3 into 4. So 12 2s are 24. So here also 6 4s are 24. Then the multiplicative identity. So a into 1 is equal to 1 into a. So 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into 5. So 5 is equal to 5. So now let us see the exercise here. So we have to fill in the blanks with, these are the symbols. This is the less than, greater than, or is equal to here. So now it's given here minus 11 by 16, and here is 13 by 16. So just ignore this sign for time being. The denominator both is the same. So here is, now see here, this 13 by minus 16 is nothing but, that will be minus 13 by 16. Why is that so? Because plus divided by minus also is minus, and if we write here minus divided by plus also is minus. So these both are the same. So we can consider this as minus here. So whenever there is a negative one, the smaller number is going to be a, so negative 11 is going to be a bigger number. So always open the mouth towards here. So how to remember here whether this is a greater or the less sign? So the crocodile's mouth. This is a crocodile. So it always goes to the bigger side. So it opens the mouth to it. So this is greater. Now if we see here minus 9 by minus 13. So minus divided by minus is going to be plus. So this is going to be plus. So 9 by 13 and 36 by 52. So this is going to be 4 9s are, if we divide this 36 divided by 4 and 52 divided by 4, that is going to be 9 divided by 12. Sorry, this is 9 divided by 13. 13 4s are 52. So this will be, both are going to be the same. So this is equal to sign. So here now you can see the denominators are different. So first thing, you have to make the denominators equal. So what you are going to do, you are going to take the LCM of it. So for LCM for this one will be, you will take the LCM of 8 and 14. So this will be 2 4s are, 2 7s are, 2 2s are, and 7s are, 2 1s are, 7, and this will be 7 1s are. So 7 2s are 14 and 14, this will be 4. That is going to be 56. So here will be 8 sevens are, and here will be 14 fours are. So this is going to be 35 by 56, and this will be minus 36 by 56. So definitely this is going to be a bigger number. So this is the symbol used. Now let us see again for this one. So now again, as I said earlier, this will be minus 7 by 13, and this is minus 8 by 15, but the denominators are different. So again, you will take the LCM of this one, 13 and 15. So it will be 3 5s are, and this will be 13, 5 1s are, and 13 1s are. So 13 5s are 65, 65 3s are. So that will be 195. So you can just check with this one. You can make this to 195 and this also to 195. And later on, I have already done it before. So this is the bigger number. Rewrite the following in ascending order. So you know the ascending order means you have to arrange in from small to big. So here, just looking at this one, you cannot just say which is the smaller number, the bigger number, because what you can see, all the denominators are different over here. So first thing what you have to do, you have to take the LCM. So I have taken the LCM of this one. So the LCM, after taking the LCM, you can just see here 8. I'll just show you one. This is, instead of taking the minus sign, let us keep this minus at the side first. So here you can make it to minus 5 by 12. So denominator is now positive. So you will just take the numbers 8, 12, 16, 18 and 24. So you can just take the LCM of this one. So after taking the LCM with this one, with this method, so you get the LCM is 144. You can check by taking the LCM, that is 144. I already done it before. So now here 8 into 18 is 144. So this is multiplied by 18. So this also should be multiplied by 18 for this one. Same for here. So here minus 12 is in the denominator. So what did I do to make it to positive? Minus 12 into this, I want 144. So minus 12 into minus 12, that is 144. So this is extra minus 12. So here also should be minus 12. Again for this one, 16 into 9 is 144. So 16 nines are, so this also should be multiplied by 9. Here 18 eights are is 144. So this also should be multiplied by 8. So here, now you can see this is negative. So just say negative, negative is going to be positive. So what will you do here? 24, 6 is 144. So here, because this is minus 6, because I wanted to make this to positive. So this also should be multiplied by minus 6. So now what will be this? Minus 54 by 144. This will be minus 60, minus 63, minus 104 and minus 66. So divided by 144 both. Now you can see everywhere there is a negative sign. So now what we have to do, we have to arrange from the ascending order means small to big. So in negative, whenever there is a negative, the bigger number is going to be the small, this one. So this is going to be the first one. So for this one, what is that? That is going to be minus 13 by 18. So this is first because this is bigger number. So this is going to be small because this is negative. So this will be minus 13. Then the second comes here. This will be 66. 66 is going to be 11 by minus 24. Then this will be third one. So this will be this one, that will be minus 7 by 16. So this will be fourth one. That is going to be 5 by minus 12. And this is going to be the fifth one. So that is going to be minus 3 by 8. So this is from small to big number. So this is the ascending order. So now for this one, I have already shown you how to take the LCM. So here just I have written the LCM. I have done it earlier. So LCM is 150. So after doing that, you can just follow this method. And this is directly I have written the answer for this one. Now here they have said rewrite the following in the descending order. So for descending also, now you can see the denominator is different. So for this one also you have to take only, but you should remember descending means it is going to be from big to small. Only the difference is here will be from big to small. So now after taking here, the LCM is going to be 240, and see, be careful with the negative sign. So while taking here, so see here wherever there was negative, to make it to positive, I wrote here negative to make it to positive. So here there is negative sign. So be careful with that when you are taking the LCM. So after doing that, big to small. So this is that LCM is 240. So this is the direct answer for this one. Again for this one, again what will you do? For this one, there is only, this is a whole number. So the denominator should be 1. Again you will take the LCM of this one. You can just see what is the LCM of this one. So this is the answer for this one. Now we'll go for the next question that says that simplify the following. Now simplify, this is addition, and you can see the denominator is the same, 13 and 13. So you can write here minus 5 plus 12 directly, and this will be, you will just write it only once. So plus 12 minus 5, whatever the bigger number, you will write at the top. So you know whenever there is 1 plus and 1 minus means this is going to be minus here. So this is going to be 7, and the bigger number sign. So it is going to be plus 7. So this is going to be 7 by 13. Now again here the denominator is the same. So here first what will you do? Plus minus is going to be minus. So here minus 8 minus 7. So minus 8 minus 7. If both are negative means you are going to add this one. So this is going to be 15, but you are going to put the negative sign. Whenever there is a multiplication, in that it becomes negative. This becomes positive. Negative and negative becomes positive, and this will be 56. But when you're adding it, the sign remains the same, and this should be added. So this will be minus 15 over 15. So that will be, this goes off, that will be minus 1. Now again here you can see the denominator is the same. So what will you write here? 21 minus 16 plus 7. So first you will take these two numbers, or you can do one thing, because these are both positive, you can take this together and then subtract it as you like. So the answer is going to be 12 by 25. Here you can see the denominator is different. So you have to make the denominator same. So you will take the LCM. So LCM of this is 36. So here what will you do? 12 will multiply by 3. So this is multiplied by 3. So this also should be multiplied by 3. This stays the same. So this will be 15 minus 7 by 36. So this will be 8 by 36. So you can simplify it further. This goes with 8 divided by 4 and 36 divided by 4. So this will be 2 by 9. Again here you can see the denominators are different. So you will take the LCM of it. That is going to be, the LCM will be 51. You can check later. So here you need your 17 3s are 51. So this is multiplied by 3 means this also should be multiplied by 3. This stays the same. So this will be minus 24 minus 4 by 51. So now again here minus 24 minus 4. So both are negative means you are going to add this one. So that is going to be 28, but keep the negative sign. So minus 28 by 51 is the answer. Again here the denominators are different. So you can take the LCM, and that the LCM is going to be 48. So here 16 3s are 48, 24 2s are, and this stays the same. So this is multiplied by 3 means this also, this multiplied by 3, multiplied by 2. So numerator also multiply by 2. So this is going to be minus 15 plus 14 minus 13 by 48. So what will be this one? Minus 15 plus 14 means minus 1. Minus 1 minus 13 means minus 14 by 48. So when you simplify this one, 14 by 28, 48, that is going to be, if you are dividing by 2, so that will be 7 by 24. But this is a negative sign, so be careful with that one. So it should be negative 7 by 24. Now you have to simplify the following. This is multiplication. So in multiplication, you have to see that you have to bring it in the lowest term. So 9 ones are 9 nines are, 11 ones are 8s are. So here, you see here, this also is negative and this also is negative, so it becomes positive. So what remains is 9 by 8. Now you can see this 9 by 8 means it is in the improper fraction. Why? Because always whenever the improper fraction, if the numerator is bigger than this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So we can say that is the improper fraction. So we have to make it to mixed fraction. So 9 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8. So this will be 1. The remainder will be 1. So you have to go this way in the clockwise. So that is going to be 1 integer 1 by 8. This is the quotient, this is the remainder, and this is the divisor. So quotient should be here. This is going to be the remainder, and this is going to be the divisor. So see here, whenever you are writing 1 integer 1 by 8, see that you don't have to write this one. This looks like 11 by 8. So see that this is going to be in between this number. So that is going to be 1 integer 1 by 8. Now here we cannot simplify this directly. So what will you do here? Directly what will you write? 16 8s are 128. So this divided by this one, minus and minus becomes plus. 9 7s are 63. So now again this is improper. So what will you do? 128 divided by 63. So 63 twos are, that is 126, and the remainder is 2. So you will go this way again. That is 2 integers 2 by 63. Now here 7 ones are 7 sevens are, 6 ones are 6 6 are. So this is going to be minus 7 by 6. Again this is improper. So first keep this sign as it is, only think of the number. So 7 divided by 6, 6 ones are 6. That is 1 integer 1 by 6. Now this again here what we can do here, 9 ones are 9 8s are. Then you will go 5 ones are 5 sevens are, 7 ones are 7 sevens are, 7 ones are 7 8s are 56, and this gets cancelled. So everything gets cancelled, that is 1. But now we have to look at the sign, because this is negative, that becomes to positive. So be careful with the negative signs. So this is going to be just 1. And this one minus 13 by 9. And now see here, be careful with this. This is a division. Divided by 26 by 27. So what will you do? This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Always the left hand side you have to keep the same, and this is division, so you will make it to multiplication. But since you made it to multiplication, you are going to flip over this one. So what happens here? 27 goes in the numerator and 26 goes in the denominator. This step is very important. You have to flip over. So this stays the same. So 9 ones are 9 threes are, 13 ones are 13 twos are. So this will be minus 3 by 2. So again this is improper. This sign keep as it is. So 3 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. This remainder is 1. So that is going to be 1 integer 1 by 2. Again same as I said earlier, that left hand side keep the same. This will be changed to multiplication, so this gets flip over. 14 by 15. So 7 ones are 7 twos are, 5 5s are, and 5 threes are. So now what will you get here? This is negative sign. 5 twos are 10, and this will be 3. So this is again a improper one. Negative sign keep as it is. So 10 divided by 3. 3 threes are 9. Remainder is 1. 3 integer 1 by 3. Write true or false against each other following statement. So here they said all whole numbers are rational numbers. So that is true, because the whole numbers, it start with 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So here if we are writing 0 rational numbers, means it will be in the form of a by b. So 0 also, if you write here 0 divided by nothing, means you will write here 1 divided by 1, that is going to be 0. 1 by 1, 2 by 1 and so on. So these are the rational numbers, so that is true. All rational numbers are integers. this one, all rational numbers are integers. Integers means the rational numbers here, as I told you, that is going to be a by b, and the integers are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So these are actually, this is going to be false. The rational number minus 8 by 5 is in standard form. So this is in standard form. This is in the form of a by b. So that is true. Integers satisfy the closure property for subtraction. So it is true, because when two rational numbers are subtracted, the difference is always a rational number. So this is going to be true. Now see here. Here it is said fill in the boxes, and it like only the box is given. Now you can see whatever is with a yellow color. This is the question given, and this was the box given. This was empty box, but directly you cannot find out the answer for this one. So what you have to do, this part was given and this was given. So now what we can do here, because here when we divide this one, this is not possible to divide. So we cannot get the direct answer for this one. So here what will you do? You will take the HCF of 165 and 187. So now see, I have shown you here 165. First we'll take the factors of this one. So these are the factors, and 187, the factors are, these are the factors of it. So same thing I have written over here. So you know the HCF. HCF means you just take the common factors. So here common is just 11. So HCF is going to be 11. In LCM we take common and then the uncommon ones, but in HCF we just take the common factors. So HCF is going to be 11. So what will you do? 165 we are going to, this is I have shown here, this is the white color, this is the working. So here you have to divide by 11, and this also, the denominator also, you are going to divide by 11. So after dividing it, you get minus 15, because this is minus over here, minus 15, and when you divide this one, you get 17. So now you're going to compare it. So now just concentrate over here. So now this was already given. This was given in the equation. So what we can see here, 17 twos are 34. So here is minus here. So now here what you can do, because this is multiplied by 2, so this also should be, but it is multiplied by minus 2. So this also should be multiplied by minus 2. Whatever the changes we do in the one side, the other, if the changes are done in the denominator, the same changes should be in the numerator. If the changes are done in the numerator, same changes should be done in the denominator. So what will be your answer? 15 twos will be 30, but this minus and this minus becomes plus. So be careful with this one. So the answer is going to be 30. Same thing from here. Now I have not shown the working. That is, you can take the HCF, but I can show you this is given. This is the HCF of this one is going to be 8. So you can follow this method to find the HCF of this one. So I have done it before. So the HCF is 8. So when you divide this by 8, you get 31. When you divide this by 8, you get 35. So this is actually negative sign. So I have written here negative 1. So now what will you do here? You are going to compare this and this one. So 35 into 3 minus 35 into 3, that is going to be, this is going to be 100, and this is going to be into minus 3, because this is positive. So this also should be multiplied by minus 3. So this is clear. 35 into 3 is 105. So this is, but this is negative and this is just positive. So negative into negative is going to be positive. So this should be multiplied by minus 3. So this also should be multiplied by minus 3. So 31 into minus 3, that is going to be minus 93. Now here, again for this one, the HCF, when you take for this and this, the HCF, that is going to be 55. So now what will you do? You're going to divide by 55. After dividing by 55, you get 5. When you divide this by 55, because this is -1, so you get -6. So now you are going to compare. This was in the question, the denominator was empty. So now what will you do? This you are going to multiply by -2, that is going to be -10. So this also should be multiplied by -2. So what we'll get? -6 into -2, that is going to be +12. So this is going to be +12. Now for this one, the HCF was 64. So what will you do? This you are going to divide by 64. This also you are going to divide by 64. So after this one, after dividing 192 by 64, you get, because this is negative, you get -3. After dividing this, you get 4. So now this was in the question given. So now what will you do? -3, and this is +9. So this you have to go and multiply by -3. -3 into -3 is going to be 9. So this also should be multiplied by -3. So 4 into -3 is going to be -12. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.